as you can see, this faucet is kind of dripping, right? And by the looks of it, it did this quite a while. But how big of a problem is this? Because it's just individual drops, isn't it? So I think it's like 2 per second. And how big can it be? To check this out, I just used my handy camera with the handy timer to take a picture every like 10 minutes. And I put a clock here and we will see what happened. But anyway, let's do some ballpark calculations here to guess. It is still dripping because I forgot to shut it down, and actually it's now dripping faster than before, and we already have like a puddle of water. 53, 50 and 54, 58. 53 by 56, and the height or depth of the water by 13 centimeters. Somewhere here by 13. Right. These values to calculate our cubic centimeters, and we end up at 38,500 cubic centimeters. Quickly convert it to liters, and we have about 38.5 liters. Okay, that is quite a lot for about 24 hours. But to improve our guesstimation, I have another idea to calculate it. Taking the weight of one single drop, which we did here. So the first way to calculate this is just to take like the volume. The second idea I had was want to take like a drop and measure its weight with this scale, which we calibrate right now. Okay, it looks good. Try to capture one. Oh, this is a big drop. Actually, it's like 23. Okay, reset it. Also 23. Okay, let's maybe 23, 22, and one last drop, 26. So we had 23, 22, 25. So I go with 23. 0.23 grams per drop, about 2 drops per second, 86,400 seconds, and then we can calculate our grams per 24 hours by again multiplying our hours times the grams times 2, because we have 2 drops in 24 hours. Divide this by 1,000, and you see we're not that far off. We wasted about 40 liters of water in 24 hours with one dripping faucet. That is really astonishing. Just for fun, we can take this and 365. So this will be like 14,000 liters in 1 year, just for one dropping faucet. Isn't a bathtub like 160 liters? Like 80 bathtubs, 88 bathtubs of 160 liters wasted per year per dripping faucet. So I guess you and I, we have now a clear task at hand. We check for dripping faucets and stuff. And we conclude the video by draining 40 liters down the pipe. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you next time.